Hello everyone and welcome to the Coupon Club. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you some wonderful CVS deals for this upcoming week, and all these deals are either going to be for free, money makers, or under $1 per item. And if you are going to be going into the store this week and you have an out-of-pocket at the register, I always recommend paying with the Flues app. I'll have my referral link down below. It's actually just Coupon Club. And this is just a great app where you can get money back on all your purchases. And at CVS, for example, they offer up to 35% cash back. Anyways, if you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you and thank you for joining us. I recently just broke 900 subscribers, so that's really exciting. And as a reminder to you guys, I'm going to be doing a giveaway once I hit 1,000 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed already, definitely consider doing so. And if you are subscribed, ring that bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And if you guys could share this video, that would mean so much to me. I know right now is a really hard time for a lot of people, and just any savings which they can get, they can benefit from. So just by sharing this video, it'll just help it get out to others who could really benefit from these savings.
Make the streams louder.
Anyways, I want to start off these deals this week with a new product which CVS is carrying, and that's these Carefree Breathe Pads. So they are on sale this week for just $4, and everybody's going to have a $3 off digital sent to their account on Sunday, making the cost for one of these just $1. Our next deal is going to be on the Irish Spring Body Wash. So they're on promotion for buy 3 and get a $5 extra buck, and they're priced at $3.99 each. So if you pick up 3 of them for $11.97 and use a $2 off 8 body wash CRT and 3 of the internet printable coupons from irishspring.com, this will make your subtotal $7.72, but you'll receive a $5 extra buck back at the end of your purchase. So that makes the final cost for all 3 of these body washes just $2.72 or 91 cents each. And to make this deal a little sweeter, if you have a $3 off of 12 body wash CRT, go ahead and use that along with a $2 off of 3 Irish body wash CRT and 3 of those internet printable coupons, and this will bring your subtotal down to just $4.72, and you'll still get that $5 extra buck back, making your final cost completely free and a little bit of a moneymaker. Our next deal is on these Schick disposable razors. So if you were to pick up the Skintimate razors, priced at $5.99 each, you want to get 3 of them, which will be $17.97. And then you want to use a $3 off of 12 razor CRT and 3 of the $3 Skintimate/Schick disposable insert coupons found in our Smart Source from April 26th. And for anybody who doesn't receive insert coupons, always check out inboxdollars.com for these coupons. A lot of the times they do carry the same coupons which are found in insert coupons, and you can actually get paid for printing them. So I'll have the link for this website down below because it's really awesome. And by the way, new coupons become available on this website every Sunday, and actually the same coupons which are available here are the exact same ones which are on coupons.com. The only difference is that you get paid for them. Anyways, after all of these coupons, your subtotal out of pocket will be just $5.97, but you'll receive a $5 extra buck reward, making the final cost for all 3 packs of these razors just 97 cents or 32 cents each. And for anybody who has a $4 Skintimate razor CRT, you're in luck. Go ahead and throw that into the mix along with your 3 off 12 razor CRT and 3 of those $3 insert coupons, and your total out of pocket will be just $1.97, but you'll receive a $5 extra buck reward, making your final cost completely free and a $3 moneymaker. Our next deal is on these Speed Stick deodorants. So they are on promotion for buy 2 and get a $3 extra buck, and they're also on sale 2 for $6. So if you picked up 2 of them, and you can pick up either the men's or the women's, and then use 2 of the 50-cent off internet printable coupons from speedstick.com, this will make your total out of pocket just $5, but you'll receive a $3 extra buck reward, making your final cost $2 or just $1 each. And if anybody has $1 off of any deodorant CRT, go ahead and use that, and you'll be able to pick up both of these deodorants for just $1 or 50 cents each. Now, Colgate mouthwash is on a great promo this week for buy 1 and get a $2 extra buck. So if you picked up the 500 milliliter priced at $3.99 and use the $1 off of Colgate mouthwash manufacturer digital, that'll make your out of pocket just $2.99, but you'll receive a $2 extra buck reward, making your final cost for one of these just 99 cents. And if you guys have a $1 off of mouthwash CRT, Use that to get your mouthwash for completely free. We also have some great hair care deals this week, starting off with the L'Oreal Elvive. So they're on promo for buy 2 and get a $3 extra buck, and they're on sale 2 for $8. So if you picked up 2 of these and used a $3 off of 2 L'Oreal Elvive insert coupon found in the Retail Me Not from April 26th, that'll make your total out of pocket just $5, but you'll receive a $3 extra buck reward, making the final cost for both of these just $2 or $1 each. There's also a promo on the Garnier Fructis for buy 2 and get a $2 extra buck. These are also on sale 2 for $7. And now we also have a insert coupon in the Retail Me Not from April 26th for $3 off of 2. So with this coupon, your total out of pocket will be just $4, but you'll receive a $2 extra buck reward, making your final cost for both of these just $2 or $1 each. And for anybody who has a $3 off of 15, or maybe you have a $3 off of 12 hair care CRT, you'll be able to combine these 2 deals and pick up these products for really cheap. So what you want to do is pick up 2 of the L'Oreal Elvive and 2 of the Garnier Fructis. All 4 of these will cost you $15, but use your $3 off of hair care CRT, a $3 off of 2 L'Oreal Elvive insert coupon, and your $3 off of 2 Garnier Fructis insert coupon. After coupons, your total out of pocket will be just $6, but you'll be getting back a $3 extra buck for the L'Oreal Elvive and a $2 extra buck back for the Garnier Fructis, making your final cost just $1 for all 4 of these, or 25 cents each. We also have a great promo on some Colgate toothpaste, so they're on a promotion for buy 2 and get a $4 extra buck. So you can pick up either the Colgate Optic White or the Colgate Total, and if you picked up 2 of them, they're priced at $3.49 each, so 2 of them will be $6.98. Now you're going to want to use 2 of the $1 off of 1 Colgate toothpaste insert coupons found in the Smart Stores from April 26th, and this will bring your out of pocket down to just $4.98, but you'll get back a $4 extra buck reward at the end of your purchase, making your final cost just 98 cents or 49 cents each. And if you have a $3 off of teeth whitening CRT, you are in luck because that is working on these products. So go ahead and use that along with your 2 insert coupons, and you'll be able to pick up both of these toothpastes for free and a $2 moneymaker. Now for anybody who has a $3 off of 12 oral care CRT, go ahead and use that along with your 2 insert coupons. And now you're actually going to want to pick up 4 toothpastes. And again, you can pick up a combination of either the Colgate Totals or the Colgate Optic Whites. So 4 of them will run you $13.96. And then you want to use your 3 off of 12 oral care CRT and 2 of those insert coupons. And this will bring your total out of pocket to just $8.96. But you'll receive an $8 extra buck back at the end of your purchase because we're doing this deal twice and it's buy 2, get 4. So because we're doing it twice, we're getting back an $8 extra buck, making your final cost just 96 cents for 4 things of toothpaste or 24 cents each. And again, guys, if you have that $3 off of teeth whitening CRT, you can use that in this deal and make it a money maker. So now we're moving on to our last few deals, starting off with the Almay Cosmetics. They're on promo for spend 10 and get a $4 extra buck. So these eye makeup remover pads are priced at $6.59 each. So 2 of them will cost you $13.18. You're going to want to use a $4 off Almay insert coupon, which will be printing for everybody at that red box machine starting this Sunday, April 26th. Along with that, you want to use a $3 off of Almay Cosmetics CRT and a $3 off of 12 Cosmetics CRT. After these 3 CRTs, your total out of pocket will be just $3.18, but you'll get back a $4 extra buck reward, making the cost for both of these completely free and a little bit of a moneymaker. There's also a great deal on the Maybelline Cosmetics, so they're on promotion for buy 2 and get a $6 extra buck. So if you picked up the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara priced at $6.99 and one of the Fit Me blushes priced at $5.99, this will cost you $12.98, but you're going to want to use a $3 off of 12 Cosmetics CRT, a $3 off of Maybelline Instant CRT, which is printing for everybody at that red box machine in store starting this Sunday, a $3 off of Maybelline Mascara insert coupon found in the Retail Me Not from April 5th, and a $2 off of Maybelline Face Product insert coupon found in the Retail Me Not from April 5th. This is $11 of coupons, so that'll bring your subtotal down to just $1.98, but you'll receive a $6 extra buck reward, making the final cost for both of these completely free and a $4 moneymaker. Now for our final deal this week, it's going to be on the Sally Hansen nail polishes. So this deal is only going to work if your store follows the 98% rule. So certain Sally Hansen nail polishes are on promotion for spend $12 and get a $5 extra buck. So if you picked up one of the Mega Strength nail polishes and one of the Instant Dry nail polishes, both of these will cost you $11.98. But go ahead and use a $3 off of 12 Cosmetics CRT and a $1 off of Mega Strength Manufacturer digital coupon and a $1 off of Sally Hansen Instant Dry Manufacturer digital coupon. This is a total of $5 in coupons, making your subtotal just $6.98, but you'll receive a $5 extra buck reward at the end of your purchase, making your final cost for both of these nail polishes just $1.98 or 99 cents each. So another great week of CVS deals. If you guys enjoyed this video, show me by giving it a like down below. And again, if you're not already, subscribe to my channel, because remember, I will be doing a giveaway pretty soon when we hit 1,000 subscribers. Alright guys, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my video, and I will see you in the next one.